So all mothers who are there in this session, of course for fathers also, take the way you people, if you are doing in the same style, change that style. That thing must be required. Because plus at the same time, one point you have to aware. Your age is 30s. Your maturity level is different. His age is only 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, or 10 years. Their maturity level is different. Don't resist them or don't restrict them. You have to behave like a 30 years person. You require to behave like 40 years person like. Because their age is 10 years only, 7 years, 8 years only. How they aware all the things? Are you in the position to understand those stuff?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So remember that. The simple, their age difference is there. They are just if you want to convey to a 10 years guy, okay, you have to behave like a 10 years person. You are asking ChatGPT for 10 years kid, how you are going to respond? Can you please let me know? ChatGPT is going to provide the answers in 10 years kid understandable form. Correct, right?
Yes.
While talking, so with 60 years, for the 60 years experienced person, can you provide the response? Then ChatGPT is going to provide the response for 60 years aged person response. Why don't you ask the ChatGPT, my kid age is 10 years, I want to convey this one. In what way I require to convey? In what way I require to convey? Without criticism, with appreciation. Can you please tell the ways? Oh, ChatGPT is going to provide a number of ways. Use those techniques to educate your kids.
In prompt, we can include, sir, in an understandable way for a 10 years kid.
Yeah, correct. So I want to convey this message for my kid whose age is 10 years. In appreciation way, without criticizing, how I can convey this information which is going to touch their heart. Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to tell more intelligently. This is the way you require to convey. అంతేగాని కళ్ళన్ని పెద్దగా ఎర్రగా చేసుకొని పెద్ద వంతేసుకొని ఓకే చీపురు కట్ట తీసుకోను లేకపోతే అట్ల కాడ తీసుకొని ఎమ్మడి పడకండి. I'm seeing this type of scenarios in houses. Okay. So don't do that. I hope Telugu people can understand my point. Okay, by keeping your eyes very bigger eyes on a very loud voice and taking a sweeping stick or otherwise అట్లా కానీ ఏమంటాం
వాత పెట్టేవాళ్ళు సార్ చిన్నప్పుడు.
కరెక్ట్ కరెక్ట్. అరే దే హీటెడ్ the things and then they will do దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మేబీ such type of things. Don't do that, man. Okay.